Three.
Good day, children!
Good day, Miss Medalia!
How was your day to know each other?
It was a little bit of tiring moment, Miss Medalia.
I second the motion. We are too many and I don't know how to start.
But you need to know each other.
Yes, we'll all know. But give us more time to deal with that moment and sooner we will.
Okay, I will.
Okay, Miss Medalia, can we start?
Of course, we shall start, children. And now, this is our new chapter to read, to listen, and to give your own opinion to our short story for today. So then, are you excited to know this?
Yes, we are!
This is the new short story, came from France, and it's entitled The Necklace by Gidi Maupassant. She was the...
Ha?
Kasi binabasa mo, pwede mo ulit-ulit.
Ikat mo na lang doon sa may umpisa mo na dito sa